Hey guys, today I upgraded my 10 2-star champs. I made a video on upgrading those 10 2-star champs, but somehow that video got corrupted because my tablet hanged in between and restarted automatically. So these are those 10 heroes: Ronan, Hulk, Juggernaut, Winter Soldier, Rhino, Gamora, Black Widow, Star Lord, and Cyclops, and of course Wolverine. And the other two max out are Captain America and Wolverine. These are 3-star champs. So now I have like 12 total champs which are maxed out. So how these max out champs will help me in arenas? So for 2 stars, basically they are like best champs, so whenever in whichever battle I throw them, they will always win for me because I'm enough skilled fighter that I can win anyone against anyone who is roughly in my rating. So like this, if I have so many 2-star max out champ, we can easily reach like 100 win streak or maybe 200. But like 100 win streaks means you have to fight 100 battles. Each battle has 3 fights, means 300 fights in 3 days. And if you want to go like 200 win streaks, so you understand that so many fights we have to fight in order to reach that level. But with max out 2-star champ in 3-star arena, we can easily get win streak as much as possible. And for 3-star, actually 3-star I maxed out because I was doing questing and 3-star were my top heroes, and I had like 1 or 2 only 4-star champ. So I needed 3-star to be maxed out in order to, so that they become comparable to my 4-star champs. Like I have now top 3 4-star: Gamora, Iron Fist, and Winter Soldier. They are at 2k rating approximately, and those 3-star are 1500 rating. And my War Machine, I will bring him up to 2k in few days. But for now, my top team is like Captain America, Wolverine, Gamora, Iron Fist, and Winter Soldier. They together get approximately 10k, 10,300 rating, which is good after synergy. And anyways, I also wanted to tell you guys, with mastery your rating do get increased. Overall rating for every hero, means if I add 1 point in strength or greater strength, the damage of all heroes will increase, so as do rating. In defense also it is true. In vitality and greater vitality, in all these rating will improve. I really don't know about like when we increase perfect block chances or stand on ground chances, the rating is increased or not, because I have read somewhere that rating is dependent on health and attack. Therefore that's why I think Ronan has quite less rating compared to other champs when they are maxed out. Like 3-star Ronan has only 1200 rating while others have 1500, because his attack and health both are less, but his abilities are quite fascinating. That's why I think he has like less rating. Like I have 10 champs and he has the least rating in all those 10 champs, although he is also duplicated to level 2. So being a 2-star hero, he has good chances of stun. First special has 70, second special 85, and third special has 90% chance. So you can definitely expect from special 2 at least every time you get a stun. There will be a rare chance when you don't get a stun. So 2.6 second stun is really nice, and from third definitely you will get a stun. So he has full immunity from poison and heavy attack. Striking with universal weapon, Ronan cuts through enemy armor, converting armor up into armor break and reducing enemy armor by 14%. And yes, don't forget this, you should know about heavy attacks, passive abilities, and other abilities of every hero before fighting with them or against them. For example, if you know that this with Ronan, if you do heavy attack, then enemy armor up will become armor break. This is really good. means you can break enemy armor anytime. So this is really effective, like against Hulkbuster, Colossus and other champs who gain armor up abilities like Ultron also. So this is really good. So special attacks: Ronan advanced tactical mind turns enemy rage into itself, converting fury into weakness and reducing enemy attacks by 28%. So if you activate your special and some beneficial effect like fury is on, then that will convert into weakness. This is really good. Might not be good in arenas, because arena means you have the other guy might have willpower, and negative effect means this will activate willpower and he will get healed, and the negative buff like weakness, fatigue, even armor break actually heals the other person if they have willpower at max out level. And whereas bleed most of the time is countered, but sometimes bleed also heal. But when bleed is of like Gamora, then it is like damage only, even if they have max out willpower, because with Gamora the bleed is 151% of their, no it is not, this is 90%, 200% of their attack with special attack. So means if she attacks like for 1000 damage, the bleed will be of 2000 damage in 5 seconds, which is really large. So I recommend you should know about all the abilities of all the heroes. I will do a specific videos for all the heroes, telling you about all the abilities and how we should use those abilities, and to what extent, and against whom these abilities should be used. So that will help a lot in deciding what hero should be used against which hero. So this was special about Ronan, and that's why there is a reason that his rating is comparatively lower than others. Do you know Rhino is a big tank? Because his Rhino armor, the signature ability, is really great. He gets physical resistance by 21% than any other normal hero, and a layer of armor reduces an additional 13% incoming damage. So overall he can take lot of hits, and with Fury he get additional damage of 35% for 4.5 seconds. 4.5 seconds is quite less time, but you can, I think, give at least one combo in that time. So there are many other abilities. Unstable Colossus, his signature ability is very popular, that after a special you cannot stop him. He becomes unstoppable for 2.9 seconds at level 8, because I am having level 8 ability only. And for 2-star level 8 is good, because means I got like total of 8 unstable Colossus. Every one duplicate increase signature ability level by 1 in 2-star hero. In 3-star hero it is improved by level 8. 8 levels are increased if you get a duplicate. In 4-star 20 levels I think are increased. I haven't got any duplicate in 2-star, but I think these are 20 levels only. You get increase in 20 level. So highest level of ability, special signature ability, is 99. So I do recommend you guys that you should always check out this featured hero. Like today is Juggernaut, featured hero. Okay, you should really check your featured champion, because in featured champion you can check all these stats, like 3000 for Juggernaut max out 4-star at rank 5 level 50, and his health will be 16,876, 1171. But one more thing I would like to say, this is basic attributes. When you will get this champ and you max him out, his attributes will be more depending upon your masteries. If you have masteries which increase health or attack, then his health and attack will be more and overall rating will be more. And additionally, some synergy bonus will also increase these things. So that's all for this video. Please like my channel, guys. I need more likes and views so that I can bring more video and content for you. And please subscribe also so that I know how many people are regularly watching.